It is 1:49 a.m. I have to be at the airport in approximately 6 hours. I don't have anything packed. Where am I going? You might be asking. Well, if you hit down below, there's this button. It's called subscribed, and there's a little bell notification next to it. If you hit both of those together, you'll find out in approximately 3 to 4 business days. It's gonna be a great time. It's gonna be a fun time. But first, I need to figure out what the hell I'm going to pack because it's 2 a.m. I'm not mentally prepared for this. I'm not physically prepared for this, but yet here I am deciding to make a vlog because I don't have anything else to, I was about to say because I don't have anything else to do, but I have stuff to do. I'm frazzled. Here's what I'm gonna do. You guys are about to pack with me, right? Okay. I made a checklist of things I absolutely need on this trip. Where am I going? Subscribe. 3 things I need. I need my ID, I need my contact lenses, and I need some underwear. Everything else I can live without, you know what I'm saying? Now, when I pack for a trip, I pack light, okay? I'm at the airport. I don't like waiting for baggage claim. I just don't. So normally when I travel with a backpack. I take about 10 pairs of underwear, 2 shirts. It is what it is, you know? You gotta be efficient out here. Well, you know, actually, now that I'm thinking about it, this is kind of a TT bootleg tutorial, you know what I'm saying? Where I come to the camera and give you guys knowledge about what to do. Let's call it how to pack with just a backpack. All right, come on, let's go. Oh, subscribe. All right, come on, now we can go. Okay, boom, first things first, you need a secure handy-dandy backpack. Then next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna get 1 pair of shoes for the weather, 1 pair of shoes for working out because you gotta do both when you're on vacation. All right, next thing. I'm gonna put 1 of the pairs of shoes in a plastic bag because I'm gonna put it in my backpack and I don't want the booty flakes from my shoes to get on the clothes that I'm taking. So that's how I'm gonna do it. Boom, put it in the backpack, all razzle-dazzle, all nice fancy like. Next thing, here it is. I'm gonna take tights because it's gonna be cold. I just gave you guys a hint. Subscribe to find out more. I'm gonna fold them up and put them in there like so. Yeah, I'm probably gonna take about 3 pairs. Okay, what's next? Sweatpants. I'm gonna take 1 pair of sweatpants to put over the tights that I'm gonna be wearing. That way I don't freeze to death. Next, I grab 1 shirt for sleeping. You only need 1 because you don't move much when you sleep. The next shirt, okay, maybe it's 2, I don't know. Oh wait, okay, hold up, I'm moving pretty fast. Let me just freeze and think for a second. So I put another t-shirt in there, which I'm either gonna wear during the day, most likely, or I'm gonna sleep in it. I'm gonna alternate between the 2. And I also just threw an underneath sweater in there. It's a turtleneck to keep me warm. And now in my hands, you see I have gloves. Okay, let's resume. All right, now I gotta make sure that I take these gloves because it's gonna be freezing where I'm going and I'm not gonna make it. Next thing, I'm gonna take a pair of jeans with me because I'm either gonna put these on top of my tights or I'm gonna use my sweats. After that, I'm gonna add another long sleeve shirt in there because you can never have enough things to stay warm. You gotta pack for the weather and it's a little bit harder when you're going somewhere cold. Next, I have all my undergarments. I have socks and I have about 10 pairs of underwear. Because like I said before, the most important thing to me is underwear. Whatever it is for you, pack that a lot. Next, I have my feminine hygiene, contact lenses, face wash, every product that I need in my everyday routine. I've just packed it all into travel size compact bottles. And I also have my hair comb because you never know what's gonna go on with this little afro I got on top of my head. All right, next it's time to buckle up, strap up because it's gonna be a bumpy ride when you get to the airport. Make sure you lock everything up and you never know, because you never know what's gonna be moving all around, spinning all up, down, and backing around there. All right, finally, we're going to put the top of the backpack and we're just gonna seal it like so. Wow, just like that. It's an amazing packing job. I told you guys, it's very simple. All right, another thing I'm gonna add, which I normally don't when I'm backpacking, is my laptop. I'm taking this on this trip because I'm going somewhere where it is necessary to take a laptop. I would not recommend if you do not absolutely need it. Oh, I had to move to my bed because it looked better. So you see, I'm adding my laptop cord to my backpack because you can't have a laptop without the laptop cord or else you'll run out of juice and then you'll just be stuck watching nothing but the wall for an entire day, which I guess is fine depending on where you're going. But anyways, let's see what else I got coming up next. I think at this point, this is when I realized I'm gonna need something to wear on the plane. So I took out the tights and I'm just gonna try to wear as many clothes as possible on the plane. Next, I'm zipping up my backpack because guess what? I'm ready. That's all I need. That is all I need for a vacation. And guys, that's all you will need too. Trust me, it'll work. Woo! I am exhausted. It's now 3 a.m. I definitely did not spend that entire time packing. I definitely got distracted. I definitely spent probably 30 minutes on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel so you guys can do the same. Now I'm just gonna say whatever, edit this video, and then I'm just gonna go to sleep, wake up, hope for the best. The most important things that you need while backpacking are really just your ID, some money, some shoes, some underwear, maybe a shirt. Like, you don't really need much. Everything else you can kind of recycle. You can wash as you go. Like, there's always a washer and dryer somewhere that you could just find. It's really not that hard. I once backpacked around Asia for a month. Just a backpack. I had like 3 shirts. I had a lot of underwear. That's the only thing I do take is a lot of underwear because you never know when you're gonna find a washer dryer. So underwear, shirts, yeah, you can be a little, yeah, you'll be fine. Like, you're not gonna die. It is what it is. But yeah, guys, that's it. Now I'm gonna go to the airport. My next video is gonna be my trip, okay? So subscribe to my channel because you're gonna wanna know where I went. I know you do, okay? It's okay, you can say it. You can say it. It's okay with me. You can say you wanna subscribe. And it's okay to say that you wanna go on a trip with me. It's okay. I'm fine. I'm not judging you. I'm just here for support. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. I'm out of here. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm probably not gonna go to sleep, but I'm gonna go watch YouTube videos in my bed until I black out. See you later.